Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a makeup review on the Maybelline TattooStudio waterproof brow gel. Looks exactly like this. I did get this off Amazon. I believe it was like $10 or $11, but it was straight from the Maybelline Amazon account, if that makes any sense. But of course, it's going to be linked down below if you are interested in purchasing it as well. So it did come with two things in it. Obviously, it came with the brow gel, which I did get in medium brown, and then it also came with the little spoolie. So what it says get brows for days. New waterproof brow gel lasts up to 2 days. Ultra resistant formula adheres to brows for no hassle wear, does not transfer, does not smudge, and it is waterproof. So we're gonna put this baby on our brows. As you can tell, I have nothing on right now, and we're gonna test it out. So if you want to see a review on this brow gel, then keep on watching. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, guys, I put some on the back of my hand and I'm just picking up an angled brush. So what I'm doing, I am just filling in the bottom part first towards the end, and I'm going to go on top as well. Just like that. And I'm just going to start filling it in. I'm going to grab the clean spoolie and just kind of brush it out. I'm just taking a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to clean up the brow. Alright, so that is what one of the brows looks like with all the brow gel. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill this side in, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and did both my brows now. Now we're going to do the smudge proof test. I'm going to take my pinky fingers. We're going to run them through. Nothing. Oh my god. Okay, let's test out water. So I have my water bottle, and we're just gonna pretty much just use my fingers to run through this. Finger is clean. I'm dipping my finger. It's wet. What the hell? It's still on. Dipping my other finger. It's clean. You guys, my brows are still on. What the hell? You guys, this product is my new favorite eyebrow gel. This, I did get it a little bit too light, but you know what? I don't care. I'm probably gonna end up buying a darker one. Do you guys need this in your life? If you don't have it, go purchase it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below. If you're someone like me that hates doing their brows on a daily basis because they have no brows, go purchase this right now. Link below. Guys, you guys need this in your life. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.